Hello friend, welcome to Yon Tech and my new channel and today I'll unboxing Gigabyte 550 watt SMPS and Kipling Bluetooth adapter. So friend, if you come to my channel first time, before starting the video, subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. So let's start it. This packet of Kipling Bluetooth adapter and inside it the 4.0 Bluetooth adapter of Kipling. And if you buy it online, it will cost 499 rupees.
If your operating system is above Windows XP, then you do not need to install any driver in the computer. And it comes with 1 year warranty. So this is the main thing of the box. And this is the quick installation guided, and with this you will know how to install Bluetooth in the computer. Then come to Gigabyte 550 watt SMPS, and this is the box. Inside we can see Gigabyte SMPS. This SMPS is priced at 340 rupees. So let's open it. And this is the quick installation guided manual. So come to the main thing of the box. This is the power cable of SMPS. SMPS look like an expensive quality, and cable quality of SMPS is very good. If you want to buy this product, then I will give the link below.
If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. So friend, that's all for today. See you next time.